Sige.
You,
Yeah. You ask me if I love you.
you ask me if I love you.
Reply. Tayong tatlo.
Mataas eh.
I'd rather sabihin, honestly than mystery together alive.
And who am I to judge you, to what to say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. Cause sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die. Masyadong mababa.
Well, alam mo, may ibang version ako niyan. Yung, sometimes when we touch, the expense account is too much. Ayan. Yan ang paparakanta ng mga Ilocano yan.